Basically just say no.
Alright, so we got that. We're going to put college algebra right here. Who's college algebra? You were from yesterday?
Yes.
Are you from today or yesterday? Let's just go here for right now. Let's sketch y equals negative x plus 2 squared minus 3. Let's sketch that. Let's find the domain, the range.
We didn't do this at all.
Oh, fucking shit.
No, not at all. I promise. We haven't done that at all.
What was the last thing we went over to college algebra?
It was like the cross, like trying,
Oh shit, you're 12th class.
yeah.
You're 12th class. 12. That's information, man.
Oh, no, it isn't.
That's information. Let them know by 12 week. Yeah, we ain't done that yet. Wait till next week. Spoiler alert, that shit gets fun. Look at that.
A minute.
Okay. Let's find the 0. Let's find the distance up. What class you in?
Intermediate.
You're working that. What class you in? Maybe perfect. Maybe where are you? Which class are you in? Let's flip 3 points. What's the problem? They're all heads. Were you there today? Is there anybody in statutes here for Monday, Wednesday? Your Monday, Wednesday sets? So you haven't seen the glory of your own problem yet. Yeah, this is going to be exciting, y'all. Alan's like, I'm going to show it to her right now. Should we do one now or see if we got to? You want to just let it see tomorrow for the first time?
That's T.
Give her a preview. Alright, what's the problem? They're all heads. And then earn A has 12 red and 6 yellow balls. It's in her. Come on in, man. You good, man. That's like come on, grab a sandwich. What class is it?
Intermediate.
Alright, you probably were well left there. R&D has 5 red, 4 green. Okay. A ball is taken then a ball is taken from B and put into A. That's the basis of the question. Now I can write all kinds of questions after that. Like, for example, what's the problem with both red or yellow? Let's keep the colors the same. All right. Let's keep the colors the same. All right. Let's just start off with our problem with both red. And then we'll advance it after that. Okay? All right, intermediate. We on you. Here we go. All right. Is this a function?
Yes.
Yes. Why is it a function?
Because every x value is unique.
Every x value is unique. Very good. What's the domain?
5 to negative 8 and 3.
5 to negative 8 and 3. What's the range? 4 and 7. Is this a function?
No, it's a football.
I agree, it's a football. It's not a function because it fails the vertical line test. What is the domain?
Negative 4 to 4.
Negative 4 to 4. Do we agree? And I don't know who everybody is, but do we agree? Your ass don't agree. What do you think it is? You don't know.
I don't fucking know at all.
Okay. Domain means what? When I say what is the domain, what does that mean to you? It's the x value, right? So the two common answers I see, negative 4 to 4 is one common. The other one I see is negative 4 to 0, 4. Where people want to write down all three numbers. That makes sense, but remember that the graph connects all the dots together, so we do a starting point and an ending point. Okay? It's Clinton, right? Clinton, that's why you're here, is to try to get better now. Alright? So we start with negative 4, we go to 4, that's as far left as far as right as we can go. Negative 4 to 4. So the domain is negative 4 to 4. Okay, notice we're putting brackets on those. Right? What about the range? Other way around. Smallest to largest, right? Interval notation is always small to large. So negative 2 to 2.
Is that only when it's not a function? Only goes strong for large?
No, always. 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 All right. Everybody good? Good. Can I erase? Flip, we go give the first one, and then after that, we go give the first one. Okay. Any questions? Again, you're here on a Tuesday afternoon, you don't have to be. So, this is the time to get that shit worked out. I won't be mad at you for asking anything.
Let's say for the range, bottom to top.
Yes.
Let's say it's top bottom is 3, top is negative 2.
Now let's look. Is that even possible? Because
Oh, no, you're right.
right, yeah.
Okay.
So now what happens a lot of times is, you'll see something like this: negative 2, 5, 3, negative 4, for example, right? And so when you read this, a lot of people read it from bottom to top and say 3 to negative 2. Now you're reading that, those are the x values. Those get read left to right. Right? So it's a good point that you make. Because visually it can look like that. But left to right is negative 2 to 3. Bottom to top is negative 4 to 5. Okay? You're good, baby. Come on in. Grab a sandwich. All right. Any questions? Questions going once? Questions going twice?
Actually, I have a question. Do you always do these self sessions?
No. I do if somebody says, hey, can you stream the help session?
So if someone asks you if you stream it on your YouTube channel?
If somebody asks me, I'll stream my YouTube channel. And I should point out that just because you ask doesn't mean I'm going to work any problems for your class. Somebody from your class has to show up. So like if somebody in the college algebra class I just left would say, hey, can you do, can you stream it for us? Like I'll stream it, but if you're not here, I'm not working problems for you. Like I'm not working problems that I'm just going to throw out in the open area and hope somebody walks on them. About that. Is this a function? This is 0, negative 4, by the way. Domain, range. Negative 0. Is this a function? Domain, range. There we go. Dom, this is you. What class are you in, baby? All right, that's you. All right, Dom, we on you. What's the 0? No. No, that's the y-intercept. Okay, so remember the 0 is the x-intercept. So we want to set 0 equal to 3/4 x minus 6. Let's multiply everybody by 4. We'll clear that fraction. 0 equals 3x minus 24. Add 24, add 24. 24 is equal to 3x, divide by 3, divide by 3. X is 8. All right, we good? Now, here. We've got, what did you get?
I got 6 square root of 6.
That sounds good. I don't know if it's right, but damn, it sounds good. X squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, yes? X squared plus 144. 24 squared is 576.
How do you
What?
do that in your head just like that? I can never do that.
I'll teach you the secret.
How did you get 20 plus 4? Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
So this is 400 plus 160 plus 16, yeah?
Oh, okay.
560 is 576.
Okay, that sounds good.
I'm not superhuman. I just know better tricks than you. I just know better tricks than you. But I use this a lot. Like if I have to do 32 squared, same thing.
Right. So just
964. Yeah, so it's just 30 plus 2. And so, like, we would have taught you, like, a plus b squared a long time ago. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Right? That was part of the factoring conversations we would have had back in the day. The difference is, you would say to me, I'll never use this. Well, you're right, you never will. You don't use it because you don't know you can. That's what we're different. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, no, it's just totally be buying into a trick and figuring it out, you know. And then the process is, I've done it a lot, so I'm able to compute it, you know, a little faster than what, you know, even after you see it, I still compute it a little quicker than most people do, but I do it 8 hours a day. All right. So x squared is equal to 432. Now, I do have a little bit of an issue. This is 4 times 108, yes?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
And that's 4 times 27, is that right?
Yeah.
So 27 is 9 times 3. So this looks like 12 square roots of 3, if you're asking for my opinion on the matter.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
It doesn't.
All right. Can I erase that? I don't think we need to do that again. Is that okay? I mean, you're good? Those two are fine? All right. Let's find the distance and midpoint. -3, 4. 5, -2. All right. You okay? You tired? You up late? All right, don't talk to my wife. I know, I think about shit. There you go, under their bed, except that's not gonna happen. All right. Quinn, all heads, what did you get? Yes. For the rest of us commoners, we call that 1/8. Okay. Quinn's just on the level like. One half times 1/2 times 1/2. Each one has a 1/2 chance of occurring. So it's 1/2 is there. Are you okay? Yeah, you don't look okay.
I'm just wondering why it's square.
I didn't say square, I said cube.
Okay.
You should check that out. I think it's an eye doctor if you need one. I know a couple of them. Okay. Other questions? Did you want to write it down now so much? Did you get this? Yeah, no solution. See? The people this morning, they had the exact same problem when they first saw it today. Although they're going like this. That's just way easier than the other one we gave us today. Build her up. Build her up. It's probably going right. How did you find it?
12 over 18 for earning A.
Okay, so the first one is 12 over 18. What's the second one?
And you really want to earn the 6 over 10.
Yes. So it's 2/5. He says 40%? Yeah, 2/5. All right. Did you get 2/5?
I forgot to add the 1 and move it over.
So if you live right on the test, you always have one of those tests. If you live good and I'm in a good mood, you get earn A and B. If I want to really screw with you, you get earn A, B, and C. If you're in a graduate class, you get earn A, B, C, D. And you don't want no part of earn A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, D, skip it anyway, try to get it anymore. 95 is more than fine. Skip that one.
It's still a game. Screw it.
Alright. Can we leave this the way it is? Alright. So I'm going to erase this part. We're going to leave that part up. I'm going to change the question. What's the probability of the same color? So now I'm not saying what color we're going to be. I just want to do the same. Then a lottery scratch-off ticket has a win rate of 20%. If I buy 6 tickets, what's the probability? If we buy 6 tickets, what's the probability that all 6 win? What's the probability that all 6 lose? All right, that's the question. You good with that? What you working on? You got those answers? Are they right? What about you? What about you? Who else is in stats up today? You just have to class up today. I'm worried how my girl feels. The girl ready to come in. Oh, you're here too?
Yeah, I was there.
Oh, yeah. It's his fault.
No, it's not.
He was going like this. Dude. I bet you.
No.
Yeah. It was your fault. You're the one.
No, I said if you want to hear, I was gonna do it. No.
Tell me I'm lying.
She said, I want that piece. You said no, the whole thing.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, John. Right. I just said that.
She wanted
She wanted to bite off the damn ear. I was like, no, baby, this ain't damn easy, buddy. This ain't easy, buddy. We ain't biting off. We ain't gonna be like that. You don't have to know.
No, I gotta check statistic class doesn't mess around, huh?
No. She didn't have to do it. She took up that team. I don't even think she was taking it for. She took that team.
Well, this was one lady wanted her to 82.
Well, yeah, that's what I think too. Is this a function? Yeah. Why? That's the vertical line test, right? Bam. Yeah, this is a function. What's the domain?
0 and infinity.
Not quite.
It's negative infinity to positive infinity.
Domain for this. How far left does it go? Negative infinity. How far right does it go? Positive infinity. This is negative infinity to infinity. We do. Zero's in the middle there. We just didn't put it. We also included 1, 2, 3, a bunch of other numbers as well. All right. It's interval notation. Interval notation is the starting point and the ending point. No, come on, talk to me. It's okay. This is what we're trying to do. We're working through it. At that point, you're stopping it, and it's just continuing on. So it's not simplified at that point. if you do negative infinity, 0, 0 to infinity, as long as you don't put the parentheses around it. If you put the parentheses around it, you're not including it at all, then that's terribly wrong. But if you put a bracket around it, then you're technically correct, but you haven't simplified it. Simplified is negative infinity to infinity. Okay? So essentially, it's like you're on, and I don't know what the roads are. I just know how to drive this. The roads back there behind Brookhaven High School, the baseball fields, where you go down those little side roads and you hit the stop signs. Do you ever actually stop at the stop signs? No. You slow down and then you keep going. So your starting point is Cypress Garden Boulevard, your ending point is high school. The fact that you made a few slowdowns, you don't really make a note of that. You just say started, ended. Okay? Now, if there's a break there, if for whatever reason there was a break where you had to jump to a different road, then you'd have to make that observation. But if there's no break, it's just a slow down. All right, what's the range? Negative 4 to infinity. We're going to put a bracket on negative 4. Okay?
Why is there a bracket?
Because it touches negative 4. Up to and touching negative 4. Hey, does the sandwich test take us on today?
Yeah.
Yes, they do.
Motherfucker. I told that lady not to put pickles on it. And they didn't give us sauce, did they?
No.
He
Unbelievable.
asked me and I was like,
So it's your fault. Okay, it's okay. I'll still use you shit next week if you're going to be here. I'll just make sure I clear it up with Josh Lee. Problem is Josh Lee doesn't work today. Josh Lee is my girl. Love you, Josh Lee, if you're watching.
we never did it. The frosting we never did.
I mean, in college, that's going to change. But for this semester, good rule. Is this a function? No, that was a vertical line test. Domain. Negative 2 to infinity. Range. Thank you. All right. Clint, what's going on, baby? You chilling? You good? You good, baby?
Yeah.
All right. Who else is in your meeting? You're in your meeting? You good?
Yeah, I'm good, I guess.
You good? Yes, sir.
No, you were asking who else is in.
Yeah, you told me you were good already. I'll start to stand that side. You good, baby? All right. Now let's go here. Let's go here. You're welcome. I appreciate you. Let's go here. Let's go f of x equals 2x squared. Let's go ahead and space this out a little bit. Let's go 2x squared minus 3x minus 4. Let's find f of 3. Let's find f of negative 2. Let's find f of 0. And then let's go, what is the domain? All right, midpoint, what did you get? We'll take care of midpoint first, that's easy.
I got one.
Midpoint. All right, midpoint, essentially add these together, divide by 2. So, negative 3 plus 5, 4 plus negative 2, 1, 1. Bam. Alright. 5 minus negative 3 squared. Negative 2 minus 4 squared. 64. 36, yes? Distance is 10. You good? You sure? Okay. Time for your kryptonite.
Oh, I know it.
Yeah, time for your kryptonite. P, negative 16, 18. M, 24, negative 32. Find Q. Right? And then, let me give you this. 2 less than or equal to 5x plus 3 over 4 less than or equal to 8. Let's solve that. You ain't seen that. That's why you showed up today. What's up, baby? You living good?
Yeah.
Good seeing you. What you drinking? Stuff that's like coffee. Nothing more than like that. You know when you shoot the first, that first shit, it's like a big shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like half a brick system. And it's the wrong shit. And it's like Dr. Pepper, you got to all like it's like you're doing backwash and you know, like when you care what you know now, you know, like care. You can't backwash and do the straw like that, you know, they can't happen. Nothing.
Did you experience that?
A lot. You think I experienced so much, you think I was an asshole. Like all these people are like, let's just get your shit out there. No, I'm super nice to these people. Only problem is I eat out the damn often.
There's a large probability that happens.
As long as chances are it's going to be screwed up at some point because when you do it 3 times a day, like, you know, eventually you're going to get it messed up. So, it's probably what happens. The chicks play usually pretty good. They don't screw it up all. They do screw it up now. Hey, probability win all 6 times. What did you get?
664.
Who?
664.
No,
Yeah, I got
no. Probability wins 0.2 raised to 6, right?
Oh, that would be 20. That's right. Those are 2.
I think that's right. I don't know. Either 4 0 or 3.
Yeah. Steve had it.
You just leave it like that.
Yeah, now the calculator is going to say 6.4 times 10 to the negative 5, right? That's what the calculator is going to say. Once I see this, I'm giving you credit. The hell's that number? Home is where the heart is. anytime I see 0.6 or 0.2 to the 6, you're pretty much getting right. Okay, I mean, pretty much like, okay, you're good.
So, if you see this part, like the parentheses with the point two,
Yeah, that's what I'm pretty sure that you got that idea.
okay.
For me, this class isn't really a calculator course. Right? Like how well can you type that into a calculator? That doesn't. I mean, let's be honest, you never use this crap in life, so you ain't ever type that crap into it. What it is. What'd you get? Probability you lose all 6. 0.8 raised to the 6th power, very good. I don't have any idea what the hell that is. 0.26. Yeah. 0.226 is pretty easy. 0.8 is much tougher. Why not?
Why wouldn't you just say as a
Okay. Because the chances that you lose is different than the chances that you win. This isn't boy and girl where both chances are equal. You're way more likely to lose than you are to win. Does that make sense? So, if there's a 20% chance you win, well, what are the chances you lose? 80%. Do you know how I'm getting 80 though? Because it's not so hard. I mean, it's not obvious always. It's 100% minus the chances that you lose, or you win. Okay?
Hence the
Right. So essentially, it's like, you know, there's a 30% chance of rain, you get the umbrella. Well, if there's a 30% chance of rain, there's a 70% chance it's not going to, you won't need your umbrella. You just carry it around for no damn reason. Okay? Girls take the umbrella, guys. All right.
No, I take I always take the umbrella. If something bad can happen, it's gonna.
It's gonna happen? Okay.
On the test, is it going to be written in with the P when it, like the parentheses like that, or is it going to be?
No, it's gonna be written words.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll be written words.
Are you not,
Some problems will be written this way, but not all.
are you not just to interpret
No, these are hard enough to go through. We don't need to complicate it by making you interpret. Alright. Alright. What's the probability of the same go? Well, we just done the probability of both threads, right? Probability of both threads was. Sorry, I'm not dealing with that dumb thing. That's why I don't live stream the damn thing very often, because the camera's a pain in the ass. I need to tell them to bring me a new one, but that's a phone call and email, and I ain't trying to do all that shit.
I could write the party.
This is my give a shit meter. It's on empty. Alright.
Does it ever go up?
No, it does.
A few times.
I mean, like right now, I completely care. I don't give two shits about that camera, though, I can tell you that. So, we know the probability of red is what? What was it? What's 4 out of 10?
40%.
40, 2/5, right?
Yeah.
2/5. Well, what's the probability of the green or yellow? Probability of yellow, well, we don't know that, do we? It's 6 out of 12 for the first one, right? And then after that, what happens? Okay, well, you know what? I mean, it could be. If you want to write it that way, it could be. I mean, that would make sense too. You okay? I'll get there in 1 second. Do the best I can over here. 6 out of 18. And then what happens?
The 10. I mean,
It becomes 1/2, right? Because there's 5 yellows here. So it becomes 1/2, yes? So that's 1/6, right? Add those together. 2/5 and 1/6 is what? 17/30. If I added those fractions correctly? I did. I was just trying to sound something. Didn't work. Thanks, I appreciate you. Alright, any questions on this? Gabby, we good?
I understand the lottery ticket, but I'm gonna watch a video on the urine A and B because it's not clicking.
The earns are hard. Okay, we're gonna do it tomorrow, and you'll have the other chance. When you have a chance to look super smart, because
I'll watch the video before class, so that way I can see.
I don't know which one to tell you to watch. That's the problem.
I
Test
think
2 review, I think,
Okay.
has some earn questions on it.
Because I watched all the ones so far, so it's probably the next one to watch.
Yeah, I'm not sure that I have a lot of videos here. It's a very popular question for students. I mean, half of them just skip when they see it, and the other half just get it wrong. So, but they all seem to love it. It's a really great question. All right. We'll keep the same damn problem. A lock combination, you know those little spinny locks?
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? You spin it, spin back the other way, all that shit. It's 3 digits. If you have to guess, what's the probability you guess correctly? Alright, same problem. Ball is taken from A, put into B. Taken from B, put into A. What's the probability that B ends with more yellow than red? All right. Well, maybe it's not charging. Maybe it's working. Probably not. See, he's doing that kind of crazy thing. All right. F of 3. 2 times 3 squared minus 3 times 3 minus 4. 3 squared is 9. This is 18 minus 9 minus 4, which is 5. Yes, sir.
Okay, well, the mouse is eating parentheses first, so I'll put it,
That's not in parentheses though. The 2 is outside the parentheses.
Next time I tried before.
Yeah. No, now you're technically correct. If it were this, then you're right. You have to put those together first. Good observation. Though. you get here? This is 4. This is 6. This is 4, yes? This is 8 plus 6 minus 4. And that is 10. Okay.
But why is that not a negative? Why
Where?
isn't it not negative 4?
Here?
Yeah.
Good question. Negative times negative is
Oh.
that part.
Okay.
That part. Positive 4, right? All right. F of 0, what do you get?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. What's the domain? The domain is negative infinity to infinity. All right. That is the domain. There's no fraction. The only time you're ever going to have anything different is if this is a fraction from the number of the bottom. All right. I'm done with that thing. Sorry, Savannah, it just fucking cuts off all the time. Oh. What's it saying? Auto power off. No, power nothing. If there's a fraction here, okay, let's just go ahead and finish this conversation up. If this is a fraction, okay, if this is a fraction, now to handle that, you're setting the bottom equal to 0, you're getting x equals negative 5, and you're saying negative infinity to negative 5. You need negative 5 to infinity. If it's not a fraction, you're saying negative infinity to infinity every time. For right now. Don't go to college algebra and be like, Dryer said. No, Dryer, don't put that in your mouth. Dryer said for right now. If it's not a fraction, put negative infinity to infinity. All right? You good? All right, intermediate. We're going to leave you guys with that.
Have an estimate.
If there's any sandwiches left, make sure you take them if you want it. Whoever's last takes all the other sandwiches up. Alright, if you mess this up, I swear to God, I'm throwing this mark on your forehead.
No, I don't know. It's 64.
What's 64?
The first number. 60 parentheses.
64, yes, I agree. That was my fault, I agree. My bad.
And then the second number, negative 72.
I agree 100% with both of those answers.
I don't know why I was struggling.
Dude, like, it's really weird, because it's not hard, right? Like, on the surface, it's not hard. But getting your head wrapped around which direction it's going can get real challenging sometimes. Almost like, in the business that I own outside of this, I have to run wires sometimes. A lot. That's not actually. So last week, I swear to God, I'm up in the attic. Okay? If you're ever familiar with the attic, it's dark as shit. Right? I got the wire, and I go, Dad, I got to take this to the lake. And he goes, well, okay, run it by the lake. Dad, I'm facing the fireplace. Which way is the lake? Because you know it's... And it feels so simple, like, he's like, well, how do you not know where the lake is? Dad, I don't have a damn window to look at. I don't know which way I'm pointing. I know I'm sitting up here in the dark, and I'm facing a direction. I know it's either on the right or the left, because it ain't where I'm standing. But which one it is? 50-50? 50-50. And so it is, I understand it. Like, you can get yourself discombobulated on which side you're on. All right? Here, what do we do here?
Well, so I did 5 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 29 over 5.
So you said 5 and 29 over 5.
Yes.
Okay. Okay?
I didn't know exactly what to do.
Multiply by 4.
Right.
You get 8,
Yeah.
less than or equal to 5x plus 3,
Yeah.
less than or equal to 32. Yeah?
Perfect.
Hey man, love to take it. Subtract 3, subtract 3.
Yeah.
5 less than or equal to 5x, less than or equal to 29. Yeah?
See, I treated it as two different problems.
Yeah, but you still got to divide by 5. You still got to get a 1.
But I did like 8 less than or equal to 5 was like one problem, and then I did X. I don't know.
You can do it as 2 separate problems if you do it this way. You can do it 2 separate problems if you do it that way.
Okay, yeah.
But you got to do it that way.
Right.
I just do them all at once.
Right, gotcha.
Much simpler process.
Yes, definitely.
Okay? So, 1 and 29 fifths. Put brackets on these two, please.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
So I got the 29 cents, but
Right, you got 29 fifths. And you just did divide by those by 8. All right, that's one. All right?
is that,
That's it, yeah.
appreciate it.
No problem. Can y'all give me, I think a few minutes to go to the bathroom? Is that okay? Am I allowed? What's that? Oh, yeah, that's my problem there. You want one?
Thank you so much.
Hey, thank you, man. Listen. You know what? My sister is gone.
And no take
Did you?
And
Yeah, that's right, this is the normal. The months of this side, it's really several years going to get soggy. I bet you're seeing them talking about it right now. It's going to be soggy.
hey, and the best of all, no pickles.
Listen, I told them no pickles. I don't know how they messed that up. 2 weeks ago, they messed that up. Give me 1 minute.
No problem.
Al, if I'm not back in 2 minutes, I need you to solve
You know, okay, I said it. What do you do for first? Second one, I need to try it. Okay, that's that one. I got two parentheses 0.49 over 3. Yeah, me too.
What is the 3 digits?
That's how many no more, you know, we up in the parentheses.
I thought it was supposed to either 10 out of 49 and then whatever percentage you get by 3 or 3 over 49.
Maybe those are the numbers that you guessed through? Like those are the numbers of the options?
Yeah, there's always one that.
more than 2 minutes. Is this still on or did it beep again?
It beep or stop by itself.
Oh, yeah. You know why it stopped?
Maybe turn off.
Because you let it turn off. That must be a setting somewhere. Where to go? You just need to hang on for a little longer. What are the changes you got the first one, Brett? Perfect. Why is it 150? 0 is a number, right? If it was 49, you would say 49. 1 to 49 is 49 numbers. 0 has an extra number.
So it'll be
1 and 50 times 1 and 50 times 1 and 50.
oh. I hate it when you do it so easy and go over the regular hands. For the
What's wrong with that?
I need to overthink it while I'm trying to look for shortcuts that I want to do. I thought that should be, I thought it was like, I thought there was 10 numbers I could choose from, and then 49 combinations, so 10 of the
No, that means, okay. So, yeah, you just read the thing. That little dial starts at 0, like 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way around to 49.
Thank you.
My bad, we'll see you later on. We'll see you tomorrow. There's 50 numbers you can choose. This is not anything in keypad where you have 10 digits. So we're thinking 2 different things. Okay? If you have a 50-digit ATM card, that's a lot. Alright? So that's how. What's the probability that the B ends up before yellow and red? What has to happen in order for that to occur? Well, the one that goes in has got to be yellow, right? That brings you into a tie. So the yellow has got to go in. And then that makes it a tie. And now, how do you get more yellow than red?
taking red.
Now you got to take one of the reds out. So chances you get a yellow going in, 6 out of 18. Is that thing beeping again?
Yeah.
6 out of 18. Now we got to get a red one coming out, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's 5 out of 10. So this is 1. What's wrong with it?
I was gonna watch the video on that first, but we never got to that.
So your class is tomorrow?
Yes.
We're gonna do the earnings tomorrow.
It's very confusing, so I'm gonna watch the video tonight.
Yeah, the earnings are very tough.
I'm coming Thursday already for this because I'm breaking my head.
The earnings are hard. The earnings are really, really tough questions. All right, we're out of time for today. We'll try to better next time. Until then, take care of yourself and each other. Y'all be blessed.
And you saw us